Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how you can enable a Reels option in your Instagram app. For example, if you don't have a Reel option in your Instagram app and still it is showing plus button, then I will tell you how you can enable your Reels option. First of all, what you have to do is you have to close the Instagram. After that, you have to go to your Play Store. In Play Store, what you have to do is you have to search for Instagram app. As you can see, if I search on Instagram app, first of all you have to update your Instagram app. After you have updated your Instagram app and you are not still getting the Instagram Reels option, then what you have to do is you have to click on Instagram app, and you can also join Instagram beta option, which is available for a very little time. So this is not showing on that. As you can see, there is also option for join the beta. If you click on join, then you can also join the beta program for testing the Instagram various feature. In this way you can also get your Instagram Reel option. If this doesn't work for you, what you have to do is you have to again open Instagram. After opening your Instagram, you have to click on profile. In profile, you have to do is you have to click on three lines. In three lines, you have to go to settings. After that, you have to click on help. In help, you have to click on report a problem. In report a problem, what you have to do is you have to explain the problem of you to Instagram team, that what you are facing. Like I write Instagram team as, hi Instagram team, I am facing the problem of Instagram Reel option not showing. So you can also write here, and you can also attach a screenshot from taking a screenshot live, or you can also first take screenshot and save to your Instagram or gallery option. After that, you can click on submit option, and within 48 to 72 hours the Instagram team will respond to your problem, and they will solve your problem as soon as possible, and they will enable your Instagram Reel option. In this way you can get your Instagram Reel option. Hope you have liked this information. You are new to this channel, kindly like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you.